Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong new moon in Gemini. Okay, na mangyayari ngayong June 6, 2024 at 8:37 p.m. Philippine time. So, new moon is about new beginnings, new opportunities, new experiences. So, for you, this is going to happen in your 8th house. 8th house is about investments, other people's money. Ano rin to eh, a lot of things might happen sa iyo kasi 8th house is different, iba't ibang mga aspeto sa buhay. This can also be about mystery, secrets na gusto mo pang i-explore about yourself. So, since you are Scorpio, you are also very much connected sa 8th house. I think it's like going deeper. Mas lalaliman mo pa yung pagkakakilala mo sa sarili mo, at mas magiging invested ka sa mga bagay na gusto mo pang malaman, matutunan. So, yung iba sa inyo, medyo spiritual ang energy na to. You might dive yourself into learning tarot, astrology, numerology, any forms of divination, or you will be involved into the occult, into the esoteric, no? Ayan, yung iba naman, maaring kung kayo ay hindi pa ganun ka open sa sexual connections, maaring simula na to na mas magiging experimental ka with your sexual abilities. Okay? So, rated SPG tayo. Maari ring meron ka ring papasuking business. Okay? Because 8th house is about investment. So, maaring mag-invest ka sa real estate or sa crypto, sa stock market, any investments. Okay? You have, meron kasi tayo rito ngayon na stellium ng planets, no, sa Gemini. Ibig sabihin na maraming mga planets in a sign or in a house. So ngayon 5 yung planets diyan. So you have Mercury, Jupiter, Moon, Sun, and Venus. So Mercury is the planet of communication, your thoughts, your ideas, learning. So talagang mas ka ngayon, parang inquisitive, mas interesado ka, lalo na sa mga mystery. So baka maging interesado ka ngayon sa mga paranormal activities or yung mga crimes, no, yung mga krimen. 'Di ba, yung mga true crime stories, ayan, baka maging interesado ka diyan. Or maaring ikaw mismo gagawa ka ng contents related diyan, no? Maaring susubukan mo, mag-experiment ka of creating contents. You will put it sa internet, sa YouTube, sa TikTok, and people might interest in your sa mga gagawin mo na yan. Parang pwede kang sumikat na, uy, ang ganda ng channel niya kasi puro mga nakakatakot or thrilling experiences yung pinopost mo. Okay? So, yung iba naman, pwede rin yung knowledge mo sa business, knowledge mo sa crypto, knowledge mo sa stock market, okay? Or any investments, okay? Because that's also other people's money. Yung iba naman sa inyo rito, pwedeng kung meron kayong romantic partner, may asawa kayo, maaring yung partner ninyo, maraming blessings na darating sa kanya, and syempre, kasama ka na rin doon sa maaambunan ng blessings niya, no? So, things like that. You have Jupiter also, no, in your 8th house. Jupiter is the planet of expansion, abundance, also good luck, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring subukan yung kung mahilig kayong tumayataya sa loto or yung mga sugal-sugal dyan, game of luck, okay? Of course, nasa sa inyo pa rin yan kung ipupurso nyo yan, but you try, subukan nyo lang kasi baka may manalo sa inyo, manalo ng jackpot or mag-gain kayo ng pera over that game of luck kasi maaring may swerte kayo dyan, okay? You also have, meron tayong Kazimi dito, okay? Kazimi is ini-intensify ng energy ng sun ang isang planet dahil pareho sila ng degree, okay, ng placement. So, pareho itong tatlong planets na to, pareho silang 16 degrees. Sa astrology kasi kahit luminaries, planets pa rin ang tawag dyan. Okay? Baka may magtanong sa inyo. But anyway, you have Venus here. Venus is the planet of love, harmony, money, beauty. Okay? So, yung iba sa inyo, mas magiging experimental rin sa inyong sarili, mas aalagaan niyo yung sarili niyo, especially your sexual, yung inyong ang tawag doon, intimate areas. Oo. So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng magpapa-wax or meron kayong mga gagawin for your you know what, okay? Sa inyong lalo na kung babae kayo, no? Mga papa-Brazilian wax or whatever. You will take care of yourself, no? Especially your reproductive health, kumbaga. Okay? You will also be more experimental rin. So, yung iba sa inyo siguro, you will get into, parang mas magiging, not actually wild, no? Parang iba, pwedeng ganon, or pwedeng mag-experiment ka about your wild side in bed. Okay, rated SPG ulit. But of course, no, be careful, okay? Lalo na dun sa may mga multiple partners, okay? Kasi pwede ring maapektuhan yung inyong health, okay? So, be responsible sa ganyan, sa mga papasukin yung sexual experiences. Okay? So, yeah, some of you naman, meron kayong mga, pwedeng may inheritance dito, okay? Because Venus is also here, Jupiter is here. So, pwedeng meron kang marireceive na mana, okay, from your ancestors. Or kung meron kang mga expected na makukuha, pero hindi mo pa nakukuha na inheritance, anytime soon, darating na yan, okay? Panoorin nyo rin yung reading ko for Jupiter in Gemini kasi 1 year transit yan eh. So, 1 year na good luck sa area of your life. You have the 6 of Pentacles. I see someone giving money sa'yo. O talaga, kung kayo ay mahilig sa game of luck, subukan nyo. Kahit sa bingo, baka manalo kayo. May marireceive kayong pera and you deserve it. You have the Temperance card. So, you are going to be more careful rin sa iyong kalusugan. Pay attention, no, sa kalusugan mo. Like what I mentioned kanina, maging maingat sa sexual connections kasi pwedeng meron dito na unexpected na, alam nyo na yon, yung mga sexually transmitted diseases. So, be careful. You have the 10 of Swords. Maaring merong person na mangba-backstab sa inyo. So, maging maingat. Lalo na sa mga ka-deal nyo sa business. Okay? Lalo na kung merong mag-o-offer sa inyo ng business ideas na matitriple raw yung income mo. If it's too good to be true, then definitely it's too good to be true. Okay? You have the 3 of Cups. So, meron ditong celebration. May achievement ka in terms of your business, no? Some of you merong business partnerships with your friends or with your family members. As long as trusted mo tong mga taong to. No? So, you'll be fine. Okay? You have the 2 of Swords. Merong major decision making. Sa collaboration with others to. Parang ito yung pinalagpas mo dati na opportunity. Tapos pwedeng babalikan mo or may chance na magawa mo ulit or subukan ulit. So, I think this will bring you expansion. This will bring you good luck, success, and growth in your finances. Surrender to the divine. Kung may mga bagay daw na hindi mo kontrolado, parang feeling mo, trinay mong ayusin, i-control, but hindi talaga, hindi mo kayang ng solusyonan because wala na yun sa control mo. Surrender it to the divine, surrender it to God, surrender it to the universe. And pray na kung ano yung talagang best for you to happen. Okay? Balance spirituality and practicality, yes. Lalo na kung yung iba sa inyo you will get into, the deeper side of spirituality. Kasi importante rin na grounded ka, no? Na tipong you are practicing spirituality, but also you are here sa 3D world. A new start is coming. Yung iba sa inyo, new business, new connections. Pwede ring romantic relationships for some of you na medyo sexual. Okay? So, yes, exciting para sa inyo. But of course, take precautionary measures. Mag-ingat din, Scorpio, okay? So, this is your reading. Thank you so much. Bye!